So that's basically how my first year in New York looked like for the most part. I was doing some freelance content projects for my friends. I recorded a YouTube class for content creators. I'm doing my art challenge routine with the cardboard faces. But beyond that, to be honest, I'm just procrastinating and overthinking actually. Should I find a job and go to the office, or should I use my filmmaking talent visa and create some interesting projects with cool people, or I either should use this talent visa as an opportunity and create my own project and build up my personal brand. So that's kind of the process I was going through as a freelancer, since I don't have any employment contract in the United States. And that's our second year of immigration. Then everyone says that it's the hardest one, because we left Russia 2 years ago, and first year we were living in Istanbul with my wife and dog. And that was a pretty cool time, because we were basically living there like tourists, just waiting for our US paperwork to be done. And when we came to New York, it was a bit different, because this kind of pressure of a huge and super expensive city went down like a snowball, and I was a bit frustrated what to do with my professional life. And at some point I decided that I have to push myself forward out of home. And I rented a studio. I decided to combine my filmmaking experience and my passion for art. I want to trust the journey and find my art style, and I guess that's what this channel is going to be about. I want to make a painting every week and share my life with you guys. But I don't have that much time, because my talent visa expires next year and I have like 12 or 11 months to try this whole idea. So yeah, it's a gamble, and if it doesn't become somehow profitable from YouTube or art sales, I'll have to leave the US the next year. But if I'm not gonna try it now, I'll never do it. So let's fucking go, I guess. Boop, shitty transition, and now let's take a quick studio tour. Here we go. The main part of my studio, the window. Because it's a perfect source of daylight, as you can see. And you don't need that much artificial light to make your videos look good. Despite the fact there is a building in front, you can see there is a lot of light right here, especially in the morning, because the sun is going right over there. So pretty cool. Here I got my working station, just super basic IKEA table, and I adjusted some wheels to move it around the studio if I need so. Basic mid-century vibes plastic IKEA chair with no cushion, just plastic to keep you concentrated, with some cooling system in the back. So yeah, looks nice. Retro vibes lamp from IKEA as well. Here I got my cardboard art pieces from Istanbul period. Just found cardboard on the street and made these art pieces. And when we were moving from Istanbul, we shipped all our stuff in a shipping container, and this stuff came right here and ended up as part of my studio. That's pretty nice. Here I got my cart for art supplies with 4 wheels as well to move around the studio. Here we got the resting zone, or chilling zone as I call it. 2 chairs from Istanbul as well. I found them on some random flea market in Istanbul and bought them for something around $100 for both. They look pretty nice. I love it. This little lamp came from Istanbul as well. Fits perfect right here, actually. The entrance, just some artwork right here. Amazon drawing board right here to write some stuff to remember. There is another interesting part of my studio, another piece from the streets from Istanbul. I was walking with my dog and I found this IKEA Paris. Maybe you remember this canvases from IKEA with the London double-decker or Paris with the Eiffel Tower. So yeah, I took it home and made this art piece. It looks pretty nice right here. Here I got console and some shelving units with some storage and some memorable stuff from different places. Some books are over here. My cameras, Polaroid camera, film camera and my Handycam camera. Just love the vibe of this Handycam Sony cameras. Just perfect. Another shelving unit over here, just my filming gear right here in the boxes. Some tripods, lights over there. Here I store my stuff from my everyday challenge routine. This guy over here, maybe you saw it in my reels or my YouTube shorts. This board is from IKEA. I actually love it with the hangers. Just have to arrange it a little bit better, but looks nice. This guy was found on the street in New York. It's pretty sick, so you can use it to work on art right here, or maybe if you need to stand up and put some stuff over there. So another important part of the studio, art zone. All these canvases were found on the street as well. I didn't buy any of these. So yeah, I found everything from this corner on the street. So for that reason, I love New York. Actually, yeah, here I'm gonna work on my art. And this guy was found on the street as well. Just was laying on the ground with a broken leg, as you can see. I screwed the leg, so yeah, it's perfect right now. You can even sit on it. Here I got the carpet, just for a better sound quality and just to make the place cozy as well, as you can see. And the final part, I was dying while making it, but as you can see, is a soundproof insulation sound pads to get rid of reverb and echo. So yeah, now it looks a little bit darker right here, but the sound is much better than it was when I moved in here. So yeah, here we go. So that was a quick tour, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you, bye.